So in today's video, we're going to take a look at UK oil, that's Brent Crude Oil. It's a great market to trade. It's quite volatile, so it's perhaps not the best one for brand new traders because it moves quite a lot in pip terms compared to some of the other slower currency pairs out there. But a great trading opportunity back from a few days ago. So we're along the US oil, the NYMEX crude market as well. But here's the opportunity on Brent Crude, which has just gone on a hit target. Let me just go through and explain the reasons for the trade. So we've got here a standard buy sniper with the trend. What on earth does that mean? Well, you've got these indicators here. So the vector average line here is turned from red to green, suggesting that price is now moving higher. It was falling red, now it's moving higher green. We've also got the trend line at the bottom. That's momentum. Momentum was falling red, now it's rising green. So we've got them both turning. And we've also got the sniper disc in there as well. So that's giving a clear indication about a potential reversal. Now what we can look for is context. What's going to make this area interesting for us? Why would we want to be buying it from here? Why is this a turning point we want to be in? These are the sort of questions you need to ask yourself. The primary thing, particularly if you're new to trading, is going to be looking at the trend. So what's the longer term trend? Is this a buying opportunity in a rising market? This is when we're going to refer to on the left hand side there, the monthly arrow. Okay, so the monthly trend with the green arrow pointing up is suggesting an uptrend. So what we've got here is a buy sniper with the longer term trend. So we're rejoining the longer term trend. Simple, right? So there's the buy on the close of this bar. That's after effectively the point at which that reversal is locked in and confirmed. And that's at a closing price on the candle there of 56.27. The question now you've got to ask is, what am I going to do with it? Where my stop's going to be, where my target's going to be, that sort of thing. And of course, that's something that we teach traders as well. But what I wanted to show you was our clever TradeMate tool, which is something that new traders use to help them get on the right path of the as soon as possible. Before, perhaps instead of making a few mistakes in their calculations at the beginning, and that's easily done, we use tools like this to help traders. So TradeMate is quite straightforward to use. Click here to select the entry candlestick. Click it. Select the entry bar, okay, and that's going to bring up this little ticket thing. And there's a few options, a few different parameters you can choose from once you're a bit more experienced, but we're just going to go with this for now. So it's a D1 trade, it's with the longer term trend. I'm going to click on calculate trade details now, and that's going to bring in my stop loss, my target, and the recommended stake per point as well, given an account size parameter that you can put in as well. But either way, just want to focus on the stop and the target for now. Target wise, we're looking for a target up to 58.91. So we're long from 56, got 20, 56.27, and we're looking for a target of 58.91. So this is, some traders might want to look for beyond that, and that's fine with your more experience and so on. But initially, that's the first target, the benchmark target, if you like, 58.91. What's the high so far today? 58.92.8. Now this is adjusted for spread, so that's like your net target that we're putting in there. So you're looking at ultimately around about a 260 point move. That's $2.60, give or take, on Brent Crude Oil. So really nice move, just hit target. A great opportunity for crude oil traders as well, okay? And if you'd like to find out more about these types of opportunities, how we can identify them, how we can use the tools and the technology that's going to help you to identify these types of opportunities simply, then what you need to do is the following. Get yourself to trend-signal.com, so go to our website and book yourself in for one of our live upcoming trading webinars, where we go into the details and teach you more about this particular strategy. We have other strategies we teach, but we're going to focus on this one in these webinars. So trend-signal.com, get yourself booked in for a live trading event, and we'll get down into the details about trading and how we can help you to generate a significant extra income from trading the financial markets. All the best, everybody, and have a great week's trading.
If you would like more information about trading the right way, Trend Signal is giving you the opportunity to see and hear about its services live at a free online seminar. Take a look at the Trend Signal website for the latest events and to book your free place.